Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of Social Studies. So today I present here to teach you Social Studies about the common class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the common. Mainly social problems and solution. The topic. These are the similar to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 6 you will study few. 7 something changed, or next 8 social problems, another different social problem. 9 also social problems different. 10 also, and solution about this also. And role of organization. In 6th class you will study 3-4 role of the international or national organization for the solving social problems. In your 7th class also you have to study 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, so that I am to what are the level of knowledge about the social problem and evils, solutions, and role of organization, level of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have to study some topics, so I want to focus to give them some detailed information about the social problems and evils, because they have to face. 6th class students should face next topic that in 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here I want to talk about the some. In our previous class, up to 20 national, international agencies, organizations working to solve the social problem that we discussed. Today I want to talk about others, just like 21 number, that first topic, some other national and international agencies working to solve social problems in Nepal. Okay, my dear students, and one thing I want to give you information that only in our unit of social problems and evils, their solutions, only this topic I will teach about the common class. But next topic, next unit I will teach about the separate. So, because social problem and evils, these are similar to the different classes. Yeah, so that I am teaching here in a common class. Okay, now let's talk about that. What are the some other national and international agencies working to solve the social problems in Nepal? About that I want to talk. I want to talk the number 21 first now. Transparency International. Transparency International first. Number 21. This is also one of the INGO, International Non-Governmental Organization, working to solve the social problems which are prevailing in our community, in our society. My dear students, talk about this Transparency International. This is one of the global. This is a global civil society. This is the global civil society organization leading leading to fight against corruption. Similarly, next on that, aware people worldwide to end the corruption. Aware people worldwide, aware people worldwide to end corruption. Aware people worldwide to end corruption. Next one, that its mission is to create change. Its mission is to create the change. Its mission is to create the change towards a world free from corruption. Okay, my dear student, let's talk about this. Today our next topic, that number 21, Transparency International. Transparency International is one of the global civil society. Civil society means we all know about this. An organization or a group of people formed to end, to change something, to support the people, to work as a mouthpiece of the citizen, to solve the different or various types of social problems. That is known as civil society. This is one of the global civil society organization. Its main task is to fight against the corruption. You know about this? Corruption is one of the main social problems. Very, dangerous. Corruption is a slow poison. It destroys the nation. Corruption is a slow poison. It destroys the nation. Corruption is a slow poison हो, किन यसमा misuse of the power हुन्छ, misuse of the authority हुन्छ, र यसले के गर्छ भने एक दिन हाम्रो नेसनलाई नै डिस्ट्रोय गरिदिन्छ. It means the development sectors, different sectors, infrastructure development sectors cannot develop. There may be the different problems for the development of the such sector. So this is the one of the bad. Next one, this is a global civil society organization leading to fight against the corruption. This is the first. Second one, that aware people worldwide to end the corruption. To end the corruption. Corruption लाई अन्त गर्नलाई, corruption लाई end गर्नको लागि के गर्छ भने aware गर्छ people लाई worldwide रूपमा अथवा विश्वव्यापी रूपमा के गर्छ भने aware the people to end the corruption अथवा corruption लाई अन्त गर्नको लागि worldwide रूपमा के गर्छ भने it aware the people, चेतनाको विकास गर्छ, चेतना जगाउने काम गर्छ. After that only people can not misuse their power and authority, and only there may be the chance for the development. Okay. Similarly, its mission, it has also some mission, is to create the change towards a world free from the corruption. World free from the corruption. अतः विश्वलाई नै corruption बाट free गर्नको निम्ति, to free the nation, the world from the corruption. It has one of the main mission, main vision is to do such type of work. Its mission is to create the change towards a world free from the corruption. Okay, my dear student, this is about the Transparency International. I want to move to the next topic, that UNICEF. Our next, that is UNICEF. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Okay, UNICEF. About the UNICEF, let's talk, my dear friend. UNICEF. established on 11th December 1946 AD. Established on 11th December 1946 AD. This UNICEF established. After that, conducts poverty elevation program. This is one of the main. Conducts poverty elevation program. It conducts a poverty elevation program. Next on that, activities to prevent the gender discrimination. Activities to end the gender discrimination. Activities to end the gender discrimination. Next one, protecting and advocating the rights of the children. Protecting and advocating the rights of the children. Protecting and advocating the rights of the children. Similarly, provisions of nutrition. Provisions of nutrition and safe drinking water facilities. Okay, my dear student, let's talk about this. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. This is the one of the international organization working in the many countries of the world, INGO. At first year, this UNICEF established on 11th December 1946 AD. 1946 AD December 11th मा यसको स्थापना भएको. First, this established on 11th December 1946 AD मा स्थापना भएको के UNICEF. UNICEF established 1946 December 11th. This is the establishment of the UNICEF. It conduct the poverty elevation program. Poverty elevation program. गरीबी निवारण कार्यक्रम. It conduct what? Poverty elevation program. गरीबी निवारण. This is the one of the main work of the UNICEF. Also, it works activities is to end the gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is what? The discrimination on the basis of gender, male and female. That is called gender discrimination. Oh, लैंगिक भेदभाव पनि यसले अन्त गर्ने गर्दछ. Next on that, it also protecting and advocating the rights of the children. Also, protecting the rights of the children, advocating the rights of the children. Advocating is just to provide the any children who haven't got their rights. So it also advocate वकालत गर्ने गर्दछ to provide the rights of the children, because each and every children have right to get the proper education, nutrition, food, similarly family care and different others, just like okay, next one, provisions of the nutrition and safe drinking water. Nutrition also, nutrition भनेको पोषण जस्ता कार्यक्रमहरु पनि यसले चलाउने गर्छ. पोषण खुवाउने काम, पोषण दिने काम, पोषण जस्ता कार्यक्रम चलाउने काम. That is also one of the main work of this. And also for the safe drinking water. Safe drinking water means सुरक्षित खाने पानी अथवा safe pure drinking water जस्ता कार्यक्रम पनि चलाउने गर्छ. These are about the UNICEF, my dear student. I want to move the next topic that हाम्रो अब 22 पछि 23 नम्बरमा हाम्रो अब कुन रहेको छ भनेर भन्दाखेरि save the children. ल अब 23 नम्बर save the children. Save the children. Yes, Save the Children, established on the 15th of April 1980. April 1990s in London, UK. London, UK. This 15th April that in UK, London, this established. Similarly, this INGO has also conducting its work in the area like HIV/AIDS. This INGO has been working in the areas of what? HIV/AIDS. Okay. Our next one that protection. Protection of children, poverty, similarly about the Save the Children, that is a help to the children who have been affected by the conflict, helps to the children who have been affected by conflict. Okay, similarly, it has been also making the children aware of their rights. It has been working to aware children about their rights. Next one about the Save the Children that working in 120 countries of the world. Okay, my dear students, our topic that Save the Children. Save the Children established on the 15th April 1990s in London, UK. This established 1919 लन्डन युके को लन्डनमा युनाइटेड किंगडम को लन्डनमा स्थापना भएको 15 अप्रिल 1919 मा स्थापना भएको सेभ द चिल्ड्रेन. This INGO, International Non-Governmental Organization, has been working in the area. Which area? In the area of HIV/AIDS to control the HIV/AIDS. To make the zero infection of the HIV infected of the HIV/AIDS, to take the such aim, and it is working. Similarly, also protecting the children. Similarly, poverty. It also working. It also helps to children who have been affected by the conflict. Conflict बाट. It means द्वन्द्व बाट, conflict बाट affect भएको अथवा infected भएको children's को हकमा पनि यसले काम गर्ने गर्दछ. Means Save the Children also works to support the affected or infected children's. It has been also working to aware the children about their rights. And what are the different rights of the children? It also aware the children to provide their rights, my dear student. It is also working in the 120 countries of the world. संसारको 120 वटा देशमा यसले आफ्नो क्रियाकलाप आफ्नो काम गरिरहेको छ. Okay, my dear student, these are about the different agency, different organization. Okay, and I want to give your homework. Homework is to learn what? About what? UNICEF, about the UNICEF को बारेमा याद गर्ने, similarly about the Transparency International को बारेमा याद गर्ने, about that and Save the Children. That is a homework for learning. So now I want to stop my class here. Hasta, namaste. See you again. Thank you.